Hello everyone, it's me Reza from Softwareica College of IT and E-Commerce in affiliation with Coventry University. In this video, I will demonstrate about NextLearn, which is an e-learning platform. Before I start, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Pratik Bhusal sir, who is our module leader. Thank you so much sir for your kind support and guidance. I am able to complete this project. Now start. This Nextcloud platform offers two features to enter in the system. One feature is login as a guest and another is VI register and login. So first of all, I would like to visit in this system as a guest. As a guest, while entering, I could able to see all the trending courses, and then here student feedback, mock learn sections for you training courses. Also can user can also able to view all the colleges in the Nepal. Let's click this information technology category, and in this category we can see these colleges are here. Let's choose this college. For program this Softwareica college offers. Let's see detail. This Softwareica college, this is the how college page looks in this NextLearn platform. This platform offers various features. One can also able to see all the college details, affiliation, university, hostel facilities, address, phone number, and then all the program offered by this college, gallery. In this way, one can also able to view routines for all the exams upcoming. In this C supplementary exam, you can see here official routine. So one can able to see routine here, and also from official routine image, and any exam notice, then also the official notice. Also this section will navigate it to the official routine. So many features this NextLearn loaded with. So now I am as a guest registered in the system. Let's try to buy any module. I can't able to like or buy this module because it requires login. For login I need to register. So let's log in the system so that I could able to use all the features of this platform. Email, then password, and now photo. For avatar, let's select any random image. Now this login page appear. Let's use the email which we have registered before, and then hit the login button. As we can see here, this first time user navigation page appear when a first user registered him herself and login. Then this first time user experience page will open, but in next time this navigation will not show. This is one time navigation. For navigation, all the feature of this platform it offer. What this navigation say, start here. So all the courses here we can able to see all the courses, and remaining this navigation navigate to see all the notices. What notice we have got 10% discount, then college, and then what routine section. This first time user experience navigate to click this module and source all the courses. This toggle feature offer different modes, and then this profile menu for all the setting page. Here as we can see, this is setting page. All as a first time user, this my favorite course is also empty. Now track progress is also empty. No. So first of all, I would like to buy a course. Free course I could directly able to access, no doubt, no problem. But for paid course I need to pay for the paid course so that the course will be unlocked. So let's buy this course. First of all, I would like to like this course, and the like increase, and then made this course as a favorite course, and now I would like to buy this course. So let's buy this course. Here offer price is 10% discount is currently offered this platform. So instantly discount is loaded, and for coupon discount I need to see coupon discount, what coupon I get. So I have got this 10% discount coupon. So let's use this coupon for extra discount. For extra discount, simply I need to paste the code coupon and then apply this coupon. As you can see here, coupon discount additional 69.93 rupees is deducted from the original discount price. And now let's buy this course so that I could able to learn this course of UI UX design. Let's for buy eSeva, this course by eSeva platform. For eSeva I need to eSeva ID, it requires eSeva ID. Let's eSeva ID, my eSeva ID, and then password, verification code, and now let's continue the payment. As we can see, the course is unlocked now, and the course, this pop-up will show the course is now fully unlocked. And now let's start with the course learning. One can directly able to learn this course. So this is the golden path also, that when one buy a course, directly visit it to buy the course. It got the step which increase the user usability. Now I could able to see this course and learn this course various functionality. Now this AI feature also helps to understand any question related to this topic. Just simply copy and paste, summarize this, and then this AI will summarize things and then summarize the topic for extra. This AI feature, okay, and then one can able to summarize in AI with the help of AI. Any questions, any problem, here AI feature will help users to get instant support from AI. Now let's mark the lesson complete. So I have read this lesson and I made this lesson complete because I have learned this lesson.
UI design is becoming more and more popular, and it seems that.
And then let's move to the next topic, next lesson, color therapy and topography in UI UX design principle. Let's mark this also, lesson marked as complete, and then also here tick mark that these all lesson were completed, marked. And what I can also able to mark the unread also. So first of all, I would like to mark all the lesson, and then so that I could able to show you the course progress bar in the setting. This will appear lesson marked as complete, and then also now lesson marked fully. Now I have completed this module. Let's see quiz part. In quiz part, which tool is usually used in UI UX design? Simply I say Figma. Which element in UI UX? Spacing in UI UX, padding, and then why use grid system? For consistent layout, you have got 3 out of 3. And this is the quiz part. Here if any wrong question, then this result page will show. And then now let's see the result. Course completed, I have completed a UI UX course. Here as you can see, UI UX design principal course completed, 100% time spent 1 day. In 1 day I have completed this entire module. If he or she could time take 1 or 2 months, then here 1 or 2 months here appears. How many days he or she spent to read a course, here exact time will appear. And start date is also here, module name. And then now I'm going to see quiz progress section. In the quiz progress section, I have done a quiz of UI UX principle. Quiz marks 100% and date. So in this way, quiz progress also one can able to see from the system, fully tracking system. Now favorite course, here I can also able to remove this course from the favorite. Let's remove. Now no course found in this category. And view purchase, here what course I have purchased, it will appear here. At this time I have purchased for the UI UX principles, and this course are here. And then I could able to change password, edit profile name, simply Reza Ali, and then I could also able to change image also. Here as you can see here, profile name is changed to Reza Ali, before Rhyme, then now Ali. And profile image is also being changed. And then I could also able to change email, Reza, from Reza 2071 to Reza 2070. Let's update the email. As we can see, email is also updated 21 from 21 to 2070. So in this way I could also able to see all the courses here in this section. Now here are also more features, special features like this color theme. This color theme help visual impaired user who is suffer from certain type of disability of visual, then he or she can also able to read in this portal, because this portal enable visual impaired users who have color blindness. When this mode is activated, then the theme of the entire text animation also changed, so that he or she can able to see the content in detail. As we can see, when the visual aid is enabled, then the font size is also increased, and color changed and appear vivid colors, so that he or she can able to see that content very easily. So this one is very important feature. And this night mode, when this night mode also help learners to view the courses in different times according to their needs. They can set the theme, and then this search functionality can able to search any course, UI related course. Here UI related course or UI principal modern. Let's talk about this modern. I can able to start because this is a free course. Let's like this course for the future use. Okay, and now let's add some of the course in favorite bucket, and this course also, and this course also in the favorite bucket. And we can see here the 4 courses I have added in the favorite, and now I can also able to remove courses from the favorite course. As we can see, I can able to remove the courses from here, and 2 remaining courses are there in the favorite course section. Let's start this Applied AI and ML by Mr. Manoj Shrestha, author. Let's start this course. So simply, when I start this course, I could able to see large passage, and this topic is also very vast. Let's start mark this. If any problem, then AI support is there. Something, this quiz also. As we can see, simply I will put any which library is popular for machine learning in Python. As we know here, TensorFlow, validation test, training. As we can see, you have got 6 out of 8 correct, and all the answer, correct answer, wrong answer also it will appear. So this is the result of this quiz section, and one can able to see the progress of. Again, I have learned 2 modules, and now let's check the course progress section. Course progress section. In course progress section, as we can see, this I have completed 20% of this module, and now let's check the course. Let's check the quiz progress. In quiz progress, before 100% and then after 75% in applied AI module. So in this way, I can able to give quiz multiple time for a course, as many time as we know. This is the notification section. I could also able to mark notice, and then colleges. I could also able to search college simply from here. Softwareica, it appeared here. Just simply navigate it, and then now let's go to the admin section. Now I'm going to the admin section. For admin section, let's log in as an admin. This is my admin account. Let's log in. This is admin panel of this application. So here dashboard, all courses. Here is earning management. This platform, total revenue, 8 course sales. Here UI UX course purchased 4 times by here. Also who user purchased this UI UX course, you can also easily able to, one can easily able to see who is the user who purchased this course. Here Reza 2070 is the user who purchased this course, and also able to all the list of purchased course. And now this is the earning page, and then offer management, when then notification management, Notification management, so let's send a message to all the users. Hi users. Then this message will appear in all the user directly. Exam management feature, I could also able to put the next upcoming exam, label, source, program, board, semester, exams, routine. Earning management, quiz management. In quiz management I could able to put quiz of various subjects. User, this will navigate all the users in our system. Here so many users in our system. I could also able to delete any of the users. Just for example, let's delete this user. I have no need of this user. Directly, admin can directly able to delete the user. This user is deleted. So simply, I could also able to rename a user also. For example, I could able to rename this, rename here, also rename something, whatever. I could also able to even change the role of the user. Admin can whatever he or she want. Admin can make any user as an admin because he or she have a control, full control of a role. In cat here course. Now in this course I could also able to delete the course, PDF course. For course I could also able to add course, simply add course, images, author name. So these all features, this platform offers so many features. Now let's begin to the system once again. I have changed the password. Now let's change the password. Now I will change the password of the system which is remaining. Now current password, my current password is this, and now I will change the password to 3 before my password, and now hit the change password button. Password successfully changed. So I could able to change password, edit profile. All the features which are required by a user are there in this platform. Following user-centered design principles, the NextLearn application has been developed with keeping concise focus on usability, accessibility, and a seamless learning experience. This is the full application video. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or questions, please feel free to reach out. I genuinely welcome your insights and ideas to improve further. Thank you for watching.